All right, we're back in part 2, and again, we're using the keyboard here because we don't have everything set up. As you can see, the mouse over here on the left, and then when we go over, we can't see it. We will set up our virtual machine tools in a little bit, but again, we have to get our operating system going. And in order for me to accept the license terms, all I do is press the space bar on the keyboard, and then I can hit my tab key. The next is highlighted in blue, and there we go. Now, do I want to do upgrade or custom?
Custom.
All right, so we're going to do custom. And I don't want to do anything with the disk drive or anything, do I? Just go to the next. So I'm using my tab key to go down to next. And it's copying the Windows file. So again, this may take a little bit, so I'm just going to pause the video as it works through expanding the files, installing updates, and all that good stuff. Okay, you guys, while this takes a little bit, we're going to work on installing another operating system. So I'm going to go to here, right-click there, and choose a new virtual machine and a new virtual machine. And we're going to create a new virtual machine. And in the name of the virtual machine, we're going to do Windows.
Ubuntu.
We're going to do Ubuntu. Awesome.
Ubuntu desktop.
All right. Maybe
the version. Okay. The version will be 16.
And our version is 16.
Yeah, LTS.
LTS, and that stands for, Alberto?
Long-term.
Long-term?
Yeah, support.
Long-term support. Version 16, long-term support, everybody. All right, and so we can choose next here. Valid location. Oh, gotcha. Right. My bad. And here we go. So we're putting it on our GLCS server. That's why I got this recording. And we're going to put it right there. And now we're just going to keep our default, which is fine. We're going to keep that as that. And we are going to change this from our Windows Server to Ubuntu. And if it's in alphabetical order, which it's not, did I go?
First, you need to scroll down the first. Go when say guest or family.
Oh, you're right. And I got to change that to Linux.
Yeah,
all right, and we have these, and we are going to scroll down to Ubuntu. I'm just kind of looking at some of the different systems that we have. I see Ubuntu right there. I'll come back to that. All right. Is Kali on here?
No.
No, I was just curious because some of the kids were talking about Kali Linux. So.
Yeah, Kali is the Linux distribution, but it's customized for security.
We're going to do our 64-bit?
No, this is the core OS. You need to.
Oh, did I miss that?
Yeah.
My bad. I thought I was on Ubuntu. Where are you? Right there. Ubuntu Linux. Ah, come on, Brad. Jeez. 64. Third time is the charm, Alberto. All right. And now we want to go to our disk drive. We're going to open that up, and we're going to make sure that it is pointing towards the right file. So it's going to load up, and we need to change our image.
You can
expand this. And our ISO images. And tools.
Go to the SAN.
Go over to the SAN?
Yes.
All right, open that up.
What we have.
All right, our ISOs.
Yes.
And those are those files. So do we not have our...
Because this one, the ISO is from the Kiribisa. Then we have the Windows 7.
You know what? I bet you I didn't.
No.
I bet you I didn't, because that was a question that we weren't sure how to do before, right?
Well, I upload one of them. I think that we discussed that you will create a folder and then upload.
So can I create a new folder over here called Linux?
You need to cancel and then go to the data store.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So we're going to cancel out of that. We're going to go to the data store. We're going to go to our virtual lab. Yes. Did I go to the right place?
Go back. Go to file.
Files.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
Mhm.
All right, so our ISOs, and now I want to create a new folder in here. Can I do so? Absolutely. So what I probably want to do now, if I move that now, probably wouldn't be a good idea because Windows 7 is looking for it, right?
Mhm.
But eventually I'll probably make a
can
new
move,
folder
yeah.
called Windows, and then a new folder called Linux, create, and I am going to go to my cybersecurity and my Linux ISOs, and I'm going to drag those over, right? Can I just drag that into there?
No.
No, I cannot.
Upload.
So I'm going to upload here, and when that pops up, now it's looking for them. So I'm going to go over to my desktop where I have those. I'm going to go to my cybersecurity, my Linux, and we want to do all of them. Can I do all of them at once?
Well, try.
Doesn't look like it. So it looks like one at a time. So we'll start with the desktop, and we'll open that up, and we will click on this guy down here. No, we do not.
Yeah, that show you the progress.
That show me the progress of uploading. All right, can I upload another one while that's doing, or should I just wait for one at a time because it doesn't even look like that one has started yet? While that's going, we can take a look back at our Windows 7, type in our username. I'm just going to type in B. Lang here for this, or should I do a different type of username for this? Is there something that would be better for me since...
Yeah, one generic one. You can say, you know, admin.
Admin?
Yeah.
Perfect. We'll choose our next button.
Well, what is the nomenclature that you want to use? Windows 7? Or maybe you can say, for example, in Striker we use Striker SPR or Striker PC 001.
Gotcha. So would I do that back in my username?
No, this is the username. This is the computer name. Do you want to assign
Gotcha.
the computer name?
Gotcha.
Go like, I don't know.
Cyber Patriot. You know what? What's a good naming convention? Like you said, you'd use Striker. So yeah, maybe GLHS.
Yeah.
PC
001, something like that.
Perfect. Sounds good to me. All right, and so we will choose next. And let's go ahead and take a look at our progress. Now, we don't have any progress. That seems weird to me right now. Doesn't it to you?
Yeah.
So we should be uploading that file right now into our Linux folder, and something has got
Maybe,
that.
in the connection.
Should I refresh it?
Yeah.
Let's try to refresh this real quick and see what happens. The list is empty. It's going into our Linux. Can we cancel this? Is that not a good idea to do that?
Yeah, you click cancel. You need to wait.
Something funky was going on there. You would think.
Yeah, just remind that you are here
and the server is there.
Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah, this depends on the connection that you have. How long will it take?
You would think that we would have seen something, wouldn't you have thought?
Yeah.
But you're right. I mean, we are dealing with a server.
Yeah.
Sure. So I probably messed that up, and that's my bad. Let me try to upload and see. Hopefully that won't slow things way down. Hopefully the first one was canceled or whatnot. And we'll just keep working through Windows and let that work its way through. My password, we're going to do the same password that I have, so I'm not going to say it out loud, but we know what it is. We're going to retype that password. And my password hint, generic password. And next, use recommended settings. Fine with that. And we'll work on this stuff later, right? We can mess around with that later. This is a home network. Home network. All right. And we're connecting to our network and applying their settings. So, Alberto,